Everyone keeps talking about marry me pasta, marry me chicken. Well, what about marry me chicken biryani, huh? There's so many versions to biryani, but this one is rishta guaranteed. Marinate the chicken in the following spices. I made a tomato onion puree, and let that marinate for an hour. You can cook it right away. Unless you want to marry your cousin, I do not recommend you make this for your poopo. Heat up some vegetable oil and add the chicken there. Cover it with a lid so all the water comes out. See, look at all that water. That's how much I cry every day. Cook the chicken till the oil separates and it starts to look like this. That's your chicken layer. In a pot of water, add the following spices and boil it. This looks like witchcraft. It was my birthday recently, and I think my mum was more depressed than I was, 'cause she's like, why are you still here? Add pre-soaked rice to the water and boil it till it's 3/4 cooked. Now for the best part, layer the rice, then the chicken, and then coriander, fresh mint, chilies and lime, and repeat. Also, if you add potatoes to biryani, then you need to go to jail, argue with the wall. Once you've created your magic rishta getting pot, top it off with yellow food coloring and essence. Cover it with a lid and put it in a preheated oven for 15 so the rice cooks further. And there you have it, marry me chicken biryani, guaranteed to get a ring on it.